Do you want to grow your own tomatoes at home? Here's how. But before you get started, there's an important note. Most tomatoes fall into two categories: determinate, which means that they flower and produce all their fruit at once, and indeterminate, where they flower periodically through the season and you have fruit all summer long. Tomatoes like rich soil, I did mix some regular potting mix with an added handful or two of a soil amendment from Fox Farms, which has lots of organic matter and richness. You may have heard to plant your tomatoes deep. Tomatoes can grow roots all along the stalk, so you want to bury your tomatoes usually up to the first set of leaves. This will ensure maximum root growth and also make sure that they are nice and sturdy. Tomatoes like a lot of sun, so make sure you put them in a place where they're going to get 6 or more hours of sunlight. Also remember to water regularly, and I choose to fertilize my tomatoes about every 2 weeks with a full-strength fish fertilizer. This will ensure an abundant growth and abundant fruit production, and you'll want to make sure to check out part 2 where we're going to talk about companion planting, which also helps with pest care when dealing with tomatoes. Make sure to follow us for more tips and tricks at gardenersyards.com.